Brothers and sisters, today I'm here to share another traditional dish from Jiangxi with you. I make sweet and sour ginger every year around this time. These can both dispel cold and warm the stomach. And it tastes good. Sweet, sour, crisp, and not spicy today. I'll share with you the traditional method for making sweet and sour sauce passed down from the older generation. It won't last a year. It will spoil if we make sweet and sour ginger. The first choice is this kind of purple ginger. Purple ginger in this season has a relatively high water content and high fiber content. There wasn't as much old ginger, and the texture was very crisp and tender. Especially suitable for making sweet and sour sauce, we first break this purple ginger into small pieces because its shape is irregular. If we don't pry it open, the dirt and sand inside will be very difficult to clean. After breaking them all apart, pour in clean water. I repeatedly scrubbed and washed it to remove all the mud and impurities from the surface. After washing, let's scrape off the remaining outer skin. This ginger peel is also a good thing, so we definitely shouldn't throw it away. We can dry it and then use it to boil water for foot baths in winter. It's especially good. After we've finished processing everything, we'll wash it again. After washing, take it out and drain the water. Wash separately. Pour into a large bowl, add a large spoonful of salt, and mix well. We marinate for 2 hours and then make the sugar. Marinate it with vinegar and salt like this, and it will not only enough to kill out the excess water inside, and it can also inhibit the growth of mold. After we marinate the seaweed, we don't need to wash it. We can just take it out directly. Make sure to let it air dry. Make sure the surface moisture of the ginger is completely dried so that it won't spoil easily after pickling. After drying, we slice it into thin slices. After cutting it, put it into a large bowl. Pay attention to this. This basin must be clean, oil-free, and water-free. Then we add a bottle of pure, brewed white rice. I have 5 gin 2, 5 kg of purple clay pot, and 1 500 milliliters bottle of rice vinegar is just right. 1 pound of yellow rock sugar, then wearing gloves to give. Stir it well so that the rock sugar can dissolve better. Sister, the girls at Tea Fragrance often share some food tips. If you don't mind, please give the tea a like and leave a comment. This is something you might need later. After finding me, thank you everyone. Stir well, then cover and let it marinate overnight. Our home has welcomed a whole night. Us. Let's take a look. The rock sugar inside has completely melted and blended with the white vinegar blended together. Next, we will prepare another one without. Place the oil-free glass jar in a steamer and then steam it. Let's disinfect it again with high temperature. Once it's steamed, we take the jar out. After drying, we put the ginger slices in. When installing, we can also try this syrup. If you like it sweet, you can add some sugar. Press it down a bit more so that the ginger slices are completely submerged in the sweet and sour water. Finally, we then cover it with the lid, seal it, and store it like this. It won't spoil for a year. After pickling it for a few days, we can. After eating it, you can eat 2 or 3 slices every morning. It's especially good at dispelling cold and warming the stomach. Let me try it. It tastes sweet and sour, and it's very crunchy. It's also not very spicy. It's really delicious. The taste of cigarettes will improve over time, especially for those of us in our 40s. It's really good for the above people to take 2 or 3 tablets every day. Okay, that's all for today's video. Follow me for the scent of incense every day. It'll make your home smell better every day.